snowing here in Minnesota. I've seen worse, but it is the 15th day of March 2026. We were supposed to get this big snowstorm. I literally sat at work for 7 hours, one run, made $10. Didn't do squat today. Just kind of hung out, watched a lot of YouTube, slept for a couple hours, but figured I could take the long way home. There's something going on in Crosstown, so I decided to come up this way. Tomorrow we leave for Chicago tomorrow morning. I'm like, I don't know, I've seen worse, but I don't know. I left this work this morning at 3 o'clock. It wasn't bad. I mean, I have a four-wheel drive here, 2002 CRV, so it's not too bad. I mean, I don't know. We'll take a right here and get on 44. A lot better than Crosstown. I looked at the map and something's going on in Crosstown, so I figured I'd scoot over to 52 and so we'll go up here. Where are we? I think we're in Eagan, yeah, we're in Eagan. So you know, some people stop, like, okay, the snowbanks after they plow. Instead of just go. Okay, you look both ways, you run through it at 2:30, getting stuck. Just drive, man. These little rice burners they have, you know. So, yeah, we're gonna go see the Blackhawks on Tuesday in Chicago. My wife finally decided to capitulation to this behavior. So, but yeah, it's not bad. I gotta go home and snowball. I think this is like the thick stuff too. So it's gonna be a little bit of a bitch to snowball, but I love snow. I know out in New York and on the East Coast they get snow. It's a big deal here. Just kind of like the dandruff that I have. I've had dandruff, whatever you want to call it. It's not a big deal. It's Minnesota, and I knew we were going to get another one here. We always get big snowstorms in March. I like this kind of stuff. I always have, always will. Get out here in 44 here. So the train leaves tomorrow at like 8 o'clock. If you didn't want to go, and I said, why don't you, we're going to the apple orchard, and I said, yeah, I want to go. What the hell? So we're going to come back Wednesday. So I have pizza at Gina, whatever, East or something. Pizza in Chicago. I only give, and they have no ketchup at some of these places at that hockey rink. Give me a break. If you want to have ketchup on your damn hot dog, what's the big deal? I don't know. I mean, so what? If I have my own restaurant, I don't like Rachel's, I don't like Reuben's, but I'm going to sell them. That's just a stupid fallacy. I get that. My dad put ketchup on everything. Very good friend of mine, he was Kaz, a Japanese guy, way back at Perkins. He put hot sauce in everything. He learned if he didn't put it on something, I'd eat it. My father-in-law, everything was hot. I gave him a bottle of hot sauce every year from the Mall of America. Loved it. I put ketchup on a hot dog. What's the big deal? But we're gonna go out to Chicago. We were out, last time I was out there is when I saw Zane B Sports, a friend of mine, board member of SPAC. I met him for the first time. He's unfortunately confined to a wheelchair. He's 26 now, but last time they won, and I met him and his dad at Geno's East. That was fun to meet him. A lot of fun. And I think he's working for the LA Kings now, I think. And then Jamie Sue, who I met through Blog Talk, he's working for somebody, some other sports place out in Philly. So I miss those old days on Blog Talk. So this isn't too bad. I've seen a hell of a lot worse. They made it sound like we were going to be, you know, the airport. I looked on when I went this morning. They wouldn't send anybody home. They didn't want to. I was like, fine. I said, I finally all of a sudden went somewhere at 11 o'clock. And Sue Ellen sent me a picture of the airport. One of my favorite news girl from Channel 11 was there, Audrey. And there was nobody there. A lot of cancellations. Because they were canceling flights yesterday for today. Like Southwest was canceling Las Vegas flights. People I dropped off over at Sun Country, they were going to Florida. So So I think a lot of planes weren't in here in the first place, even to go anywhere, because a lot of flights are getting canceled. A lot of people are coming back early yesterday, so I made good money yesterday. I had a feeling it was going to be a slow day because they fear-mongered us. You guys all know day 25 is getting out of prison here. We'll be right back at it. But yeah, we're crossing over the Minnesota right now. We're coming up to the airport up here. My right up here. National Wild Refugee, that's a nice place to go. I drop a lot of people off. Fort Snelling Park is over here. State Park's over there. It's really nice. It's a cool park to go to. I got to go off there. But the wilderness place is nice. I've done a few videos a long time ago, so. But yeah, it's, you know. I'm going 45. So it's supposed to settle down. But I'm looking forward to the train. My dad worked for the railroad, Chicago Northwestern. On career day, I would take him. We would go to Chicago. It'd be an all-day thing there and back. That was fun. Get back like midnight. It was fun. We'd leave like at 6 in the morning. And that was a lot of fun. Trains are a great way to travel. The best ride is from Chicago to Seattle. Carpetbagger did a lot of, I saw a couple of them. He did some train ride. Wonder Hussey just got off a train ride and someone gave her. So she did a little train ride from, I think, Denver down to California. And they are fun. They're a great trip. The best one is through the Canadian Rockies. Pretty fun. Going past Delta's place right over here. That's their hub right over here. All the employees. During COVID, that was totally empty. And over here, a long time ago, about 6 years ago, one of the overseas guys had his 747 over there for like about a month while he's down in Rochester. It was parked over there. They're guarding it. So Mall of America is to my left here, coming up. The Mall of Asteria over here. Well, see it. I mean, the roads are empty. I mean, I get it. It's slippery, but people get. This is Minnesota. What the big deal is? We're not living in New York. Not that bad, but what are you gonna do, right? They're tearing down a lot of bridges here. Anybody that's from Minnesota, you've been through Minnesota, they're redoing 494. They tore down a lot of bridges, so a lot of the, especially one of my favorite McDonald's off of Nicollet, there are Arby's up there because they tore down the bridges. Are kind of suffering. You know, Ridgefield and Bloomington are separated by those bridges up here, so we're tearing those down. But I don't know if this camera gives you a good idea what's going on, but it's windy. But you know, I don't know. I got a 4-wheel drive here. It's a 2002 CRV. It's got 170,000 miles on it. I do gotta get new back tires for this bad boy, but I love driving in the snow. I love snow. I couldn't live anywhere else. I know we're high taxed, but it's a great, 10,000 lakes plus a couple. They do a good job of plowing the airport. Their plow stuff sits on Post Road year round. And they were ready this morning. They're out. As soon as it starts snowing, they're out. As you can tell up here, 12th Avenue Bridge is torn down. They're redoing that. The Holiday gas station up there is just getting screwed. Snow plowing one for fun for the other channel. They're tearing it. I did this one up here a while ago, this pedestrian bridge for this channel up here. They put this one up. Goes back and forth. I was on that session on this channel. Don't really care, but I had fun doing it. It's fun to do. So I don't know if they'll tear this one down next. Well, maybe they put this one up already. I can't remember now, but. This is the pedestrian bridge is up here, and there's a church to the right over here where I did a cemetery. This was the first pedestrian bridge I ever did for the channel, right here. My favorite place to shop, Menards, right over there. Money spent. So they tore this bridge down right here. This is the Nicollet Bridge. They tore down they had this highway closed down for 2 weekends in a row. So the culverts over there is probably going to be slow, and while they rebuild the bridge. And I've been on this bridge up here too as well. This bridge for fun, rail fanning. I follow this train track that goes all the way down to Bloomington, across Minnesota, which someone should step in and make it into a trail, but they don't. But anyways, kind of show you driving in the snow, man. You're in the great state of Minnesota. 15th day of March 2026. State Fair is, I don't know, 6-7 months away. I don't know. We're already into March. Going to Chicago. So I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for the view. Dave 25 belongs in a group home. All right.